What's up guys? Welcome to Cryptic Solution. Let's discuss about PumpSwap today. But before going any further, I want to tell you first about cryptocurrency or blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency was originally known as a payment system that allows people to be able to make transactions quickly without third parties, transparently, securely, and anonymously. Satoshi, who is the creator of Bitcoin, makes Bitcoin beat the centralized financial system that is prone to manipulation and control by one party. With the growth and development of the crypto or blockchain ecosystem, a number of alternative investment options have emerged and have proven to be more efficient and profitable investment tools than traditional financial returns. Innovative projects are consistently emerging in the crypto industry with high return investments and continuous trends, such as PumpSwap is one of the projects that will attract a large market investment. So don't waste this golden opportunity. What is a PumpSwap? PumpSwap is a decentralized exchange or DEX created for swapping BEP20 tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, ERC20 tokens on Ethereum with KIP20 tokens on the OKEX chain network. PumpSwap is the perfect ecosystem for automated liquidity that is provisioned in the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and OKEX chain network where users can trade against a liquidity pool. Mission of PumpSwap: to create a strong foundation for the community by giving them incentives in the exchange for their support of the swap platform, creating an advanced ecosystem for automated liquidity provisioned on the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and OKEX chain mainnet network. Target of PumpSwap: our main target is consumers who are avoiding the high gas fees of Ethereum blockchain. We can to be the best platform to manage BSC and OKT chain swaps. We also have an Ethereum blockchain. Benefits of using PumpSwap DEX: worldwide platform. You can use PumpSwap swapping platform through decentralized blockchain on the worldwide transaction method of digital cryptocurrencies. Feel free to use this ecosystem from any countries. No need to share your personal information. Save transactions. Low cost transaction fees using through BEP20 Binance Smart Chain network with KIP20 OKEX chain mainnet network. Safe transaction method also use ERC20 Ethereum blockchain. If you want to avoid high cost transaction fees, you can use BSC or OKT network. Digital payment ecosystems. P2P transaction ecosystem using digital currencies, strong and secure digital currencies wallet. Third-party payment ecosystem for transaction method. All access you have to secure your own access point.